people, we're coming to you live from Morsha Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic with my boy here with the Bedroom Bully. Tell him about the Bedroom Bully again, man.
Bedroom Bully, boy, get the dick on stick.
He come here last, when was you here last?
In August.
Yeah, and he come back straight here for that.
With a drink.
Yeah, and my boy Sean from New York always come chill with me. Sean is good people. He's an Uber driver. Listen, people, I hook up my people when they come to my spot. I hook them up with good people. When you come to DR, if you want anything you want, lawyer, house, good place to rent, whatever you need, I help you. I just don't do drugs. Same thing. My boy Sean is an Uber driver, and Sean can hook you up over there. Sean, give him your Uber information, bro.
Go to uber.com.
Yeah?
And you're gonna see Troy Knight Williams. And if you need me to take you where you gotta go, I got you.
Yeah, so I endorse that. Look, Morsha Reggae Lounge.
I got you.
Yeah, so you know that. So when you see this video, and if you mention Morsha Reggae Lounge, Sean gonna give you a special treat. Yeah, I ain't gonna tell you. He just gonna surprise you. Yeah. Hey, look on Sean, I rock it. Rock Sean. Yeah. For real, hey. Right now the Morsha Reggae Lounge just so. And look up on the coconut them. Fresh coconut. Look there, guys. Everything fresh and natural in the place. Yes, people, this is what the beach look like at 4:15 or 4:10 in the evening in the Dominican Republic. You come down, you sit, you relax, you can play chess. I have domino, I have cards. While your food is being cooked, you wait. I cook all my food fresh, right? And if you have time for wait, I'll cook some food for you. All right? So enough respect, people.